So we're going to unbox the USB to HDMI cable. This is a 4K 60 Hertz cable by Acer, one of their best-selling products right here. Acer is well known for quality and reliability. So inside you'll find a braided cord with a nice little Velcro strap here. Whoop. Man, holds tight. Okay. So we rip it open there a little bit. Nice good length to this. And the HDMI looks solid. I like how far back this goes. And then you also have the bend protector on the back there. Take a look at that. So you can use this to plug your phone into a monitor, into another device that uses this, and then plug it right into an HDMI. So maybe you want to go to a projector, maybe you want to go to a monitor. This is going to be perfect for that. You can get varying lengths, and this is also includes a warranty card. Oh, keep dropping the box. Includes a warranty card and a little bit more information on the actual product. You got 6.6 feet here, a lot longer than you think. It's 6 inches taller than I am. Works really well, and I think you'll be happy with it.